The Intact Stability Criteria section explains minimum regulatory requirements that ships must satisfy. The guide also discusses the inclining experiment, which is conducted to determine the lightship displacement and center of gravity. The inclining experiment requires careful preparation. Loose weights must be removed or secured. Tanks should be empty or pressed full where possible. Free surface effects must be minimized. People on board must be limited and positioned correctly. Tank interconnections must be closed, and accurate measurements must be taken. The damage stability section explains how flooding affects buoyancy, trim, heel, and stability. The guide introduces floodable length, permeability, marginal compartments, lost buoyancy method, and added weight method. The lost buoyancy method assumes that a damaged compartment no longer contributes buoyancy. The added weight method treats floodwater as added weight and uses iterative calculations. The added weight method is more accurate and is commonly used in stability software. The key lesson is that damage stability is complex and must be assessed carefully. A ship may survive or fail depending on compartment arrangement, permeability, extent of damage, watertight integrity, loading condition, and reserve buoyancy. Nautical charts are essential for safe navigation, and that officers must understand symbols, abbreviations, chart scales, hydrographic information, lights, buoys, dangers, depths, seabed characteristics, restricted areas, traffic separation schemes, pipelines, cables, anchorages, wrecks, and aids to navigation. The guide explains the importance of using updated charts and publications. Large-scale charts provide more detail for coastal navigation, pilotage, port approaches, and restricted waters, while small-scale charts are used for ocean passage planning. It also highlights that different hydrographic offices may publish charts, but internationally standardized symbols help navigating officers interpret essential information consistently. The main message is that chart symbols are not decorative. They are operational safety information. A navigating officer must be able to recognize them quickly and correctly, especially during passage planning, chart correction, coastal navigation, pilotage, anchoring, and emergency avoidance. The Bridge Before Departure checklist covers chart updates, tide tables, sailing directions, vessel draft, navigation lights, gyro compass, binoculars, sextant, magnetic compass, weather, ECDIS, steering gear, echo sounders, AIS, VHF, radio telephones, Aldis lamp, emergency phones, anchor readiness, pilot ladder, engine telegraph, bow thruster, and steering gear modes.